Welcome back to Tamco's Tutorials. This tutorial's on the 7000 Series Hardener. Kind of give you an idea of what it is, when to use it, and only to use it. I know TDS sheet is still being worked on, but the 7000 Series Hardener, 7001 is fast, 7002 is medium, 7003 is slow. Same as the 7600 series, but don't involve that in here. Same mixes, 4-1, 2-1, 3-1, whatever you've got. This hardener's used the same as 7600 series. Other than that, not much else on it. Use it in them clears, the 1000 clear, the 1100 clear, and the 2100 clear. 2100 actually, if you haven't used it, it's a great one to try. It's 2 to 1, so you get 1.5 gallons of spray, and it just looks as nice as everything else. A little more spray for the buck. Very durable. Cut and buff after 30 days after it's cured out. It's pretty tough. Got to get it done within them 30 days. Cuts and buffs really nice as normal, but you wait over 30 days, she's pretty tough. It's hard to scratch. All right, guys, come back, watch all you like. See ya.